Hello everyone, welcome to Hirender S3 tutorial. In this video, I will introduce how to add NDI screen display to our resource center. First, you need to go to our website to download the Hirender NDI. It's a software you can use for NDI capture procedure. Just download and install that on your computer. Okay, let's go back to S3. Right-click in the Resource Center and choose Add NDI Network Display. We can make it a name like Tutorial 4. Click on Choose to select any possible NDI screen. Choose the NDI network screen that's connected into your network and click on OK. Drag the NDI display into your program. Click on Play. We could see that there's no image or video is playing right now, so we need to click on Start on the connected NDI server. Right now we could see an image here. They're showing our website about the NDI display.